Today we'll be setting up a webinar on Zoom and installing a Facebook Pixel on the thank you page that comes with the default Zoom webinar registration page. So this is my test webinar right here, and just make sure that when you're setting up your webinar, you have this box ticked so that you're able to capture leads and require people to register for your webinar. So once that's done, you want to go and scroll all the way down to invitations right here, and under approval, click on edit here, and then scroll down and you'll see the tracking pixel section where you can install your Facebook Pixel. Now, this isn't like a regular Facebook Pixel code installation because you won't be copy pasting the full code. So what you'll do is go back to Ads Manager and go to your Events Manager. Under Data Sources, click on Add Events and click on From a New Website to get your Pixel code. So click on Install Code manually and click on Copy Code, open your notepad, paste the code, and this piece of code right here is the one that you want. This is the only thing that you will be pasting back on Zoom. So copy it and paste it here, add to registration successful page, which will then track your conversions, and click Save. Okay, that's it. So in order to test it, try and register for your webinar. Here's the registration link, and make a few test registrations. Sometimes it takes a few hours for it to activate, so make sure to give it 1 to 2 hours, and then also check here on your data sources if it's coming in after you register for the webinar or after you make some test registrations. Also, make sure to have your Facebook Pixel Helper installed so that you can double check that your Facebook Pixel is correctly installed on your thank you page. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Bye!